Everyone, get inside right now. Move quickly into your homes before sunset.
Wait, what is happening? Why do we have to run inside so fast?
Do not cross these safety lines. Please head toward your front doors immediately.
Is there a dangerous fire nearby? Why is nobody telling us anything?
We do not know everything yet, but everyone must stay indoors right now.
Look at them, Leo. They are inspecting all the deep underground drains.
The pressure levels under this road are rising quickly after the heavy rain.
Sophie, I think something bad happened to my favorite red toy fire truck.
Did you hear that loud crack? The whole street just vibrated under our feet.
Sophie, Leo, come inside this instant. We need to follow the safety rules.
Quickly, children. Step inside the house where it is safe from the street. Come on, Leo, keep moving. We need to get inside right away.
Stay away from the large front windows while the city crew works outside.
They are blocking the entire western road, but nobody told us the real reason.
I was playing by the big drain earlier today before the trucks arrived.
Earlier this afternoon, the neighborhood was completely peaceful and full of warm sunshine.
Vroom, vroom! My red rescue truck is driving very fast down the street.
It is wonderful to see bright sunshine again after 3 whole days of rain.
The ground is still very wet, but at least the storm has finally stopped.
Look, the city maintenance team is here to check on the stormwater system.
We need to run standard checks along the whole main underground drainage line.
These water pressure readings are much higher than normal beneath the western sector. A major underground blockage might cause a serious pipe rupture if pressure builds up. The heavy storm runoff cannot flow freely toward the main river channel anymore.
Attention, residents! Please clear the roadway and remain inside your homes immediately!
Why should we go inside on such a lovely and bright sunny afternoon?
We cannot confirm the exact hazard yet, so safety precautions are strictly required.
The workers look very nervous. There must be something dangerous happening underground.
Set up the barricades fast before sunset makes visibility difficult for everyone.
Mom, Dad, the workers are focusing all their equipment near the western drain.
I understand you are curious, sweetie, but the city workers know what to do.
There are no official news updates yet, which means they are still investigating.
If nobody explains the problem, how can we know if our house is safe?
You cannot just lock us inside our houses without giving a proper explanation.
Please remain calm, Mrs. Brooks. We are working hard to protect every family here.
Mrs. Brooks is angry because she is frightened, just like everyone else right now. Sophie, can I whisper a secret to you about my red fire truck?
Of course, Leo. Tell me what happened when you were playing outside earlier.
My toy truck rolled down the curb and slipped directly into that dark drain.
I tried to reach it with a stick, but it got wedged deep inside.
Leo, that storm drain connects straight to the main underground high-pressure water pipe.
Did I break the whole street? Is everyone in danger because of my toy?
It was an accident, Leo. You did not do this on purpose at all. Dad, we have very important information that can help the safety crew outside.
Tell me everything, Sophie. What did you and Leo discover about the drain?
Leo dropped his solid plastic fire truck right into the western storm drain earlier.
A solid toy could easily catch loose storm debris and create a massive plug.
Thank you for being brave and telling the truth, Leo. That was very helpful.
I will step outside carefully and share this exact information with Aaron immediately.
Please let me come with you, Dad. I know the exact drain location.
All right, Sophie. Stay right beside me and follow every single safety instruction.
Keep your eyes open, Sophie. We will walk straight toward Mr. Mitchell now.
Oh, Mr. Mitchell! Excuse me, we have crucial details about the underground water blockage.
Mr. Parker, please stay behind the yellow line. What information do you have?
My little brother dropped a large plastic toy truck into the west corner drain.
The west corner drain sits right above our main pressure relief junction valve.
If debris collected around that toy, water pressure would build up beneath this road.
Team, redirect our acoustic sensors directly to the western corner junction right now.
Sensors are active. We have pinpointed the exact location of the massive obstruction.
What is happening over there? Did that young girl just solve their puzzle?
Sophie, your observation just saved us hours of searching along the entire pipeline.
Sunset is almost here, and the underground pressure is reaching its absolute maximum point.
The internal pipe wall is cracking. We need everyone far back immediately.
Everyone, evacuate the roadway! Get back onto high ground and inside right now! Sophie, we must get back inside right this second. Move quickly now.
Mrs. Brooks, please step back from your porch and close your front door.
I am locking the door now. Stay safe over there, Parker family.
Stand clear of the manhole cover. The pressure release is happening right now.
The asphalt surface is lifting. Everyone hold your positions in safe shelter.
We are safely inside. Emily, hold Leo close in the interior hallway.
You both did wonderful work. Now let us remain calm and stay together.
Is the loud booming noise going to stop soon, Mommy? I am scared.
We are safe inside our home, Leo. The safety workers know what to do.
Keep your safety distance. The main pressure line is releasing all trapped water.
The blockage has ruptured through the road surface, releasing the dangerous underground tension.
Good work. The emergency flood channels are carrying the excess water safely away.
Look, the powerful water blast is slowing down. The pressure is finally dropping.
Main valve is fully closed. The street surface is stable and secure now. All hazards are neutralized. Every neighbor remains safe inside during the whole rupture.
The danger has passed. Everyone stayed calm and followed all safety instructions perfectly.
We listened to the workers, and nobody got hurt by the big water.
City repair crews worked tirelessly under the bright night lights to fix the pipe.
This new reinforced pipe will easily handle heavy rainfall for many decades ahead. The roadway is completely restored and safe for neighborhood traffic by morning sunrise. The next morning arrived with golden sunshine and clear, peaceful blue skies above.
Good morning, everyone. The street looks brand new and completely safe to walk on.
Good morning, Parker family. We want to express our deepest gratitude to you.
We recovered your red rescue truck, Leo. It is fully cleaned and ready to play.
My rescue truck is back. Thank you so much, Mr. Safety Worker.
Sophie, your sharp eyes and calm attitude helped us prevent a much bigger disaster.
I want to apologize for getting angry yesterday. You were keeping us safe all along.
We completely understand, Mrs. Brooks. In emergencies, clear communication helps build trust together. Our neighborhood organized a special safety day to teach everyone about emergency preparedness.
Always stay calm, listen carefully to emergency instructions, and never panic during unexpected events.
I promise I will never put my toys into storm drains ever again.
We all learned a valuable lesson about patience and working together as a community.
We are so proud of how responsible and helpful you were yesterday, Sophie. When something seems dangerous, we do not need to be afraid or make angry assumptions. By staying calm, asking the right questions, and helping each other, we keep everyone safe.
Stay calm, listen to safety guides, and always help the people around you every day.